Back blast area clear! Fire! 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 You see where it went? Yep.
Loading SCA.
340. That should be right on. Left hand drop. Right hand close.
Loaded. Ready to fire. Back west area clear. Fire, fire, fire.
That's it.
Loaded. Ready to fire. Back west area clear. Fire, fire, fire. Ready. Prepare to fire. Back west area clear. Fire, fire, fire. Ready! Ready to fire! Back blast area clear! Fire, fire, fire!
Hold that to the right.
Ready! Ready, fire! Back blast area clear! Fire, fire, fire! Firing, firing, firing!
Oh, that was perfect.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Perfect, right inside. Good shot.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Awesome.
Unload! Fire! 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 Area clear! Fire! Fire! Fire!
Yes! You see where it went? A little bit, right? You guys remember? So you got to remember, hey, if I'm using HE and I'm using BRS, you know, I got to do a little bit of fudging on that because it's not precise, right?
Back blast area clear! Fire! Fire! Fire!
Let's air burst right on that tank. So give me a laze and a distance to target.
Cock it, put on good. Up. Ready! Ready for fire! Back blast area clear! Firing! Firing! Firing!
Look, you can see it.
Yeah.
Going to the left a little. Damn. Make sure you know. So look, if I press the radar, it should say, right? It'll say HE, AB. I got it.
Ready! Yeah, slide forward. Hover. Ready to fire? Back blast area clear! Fire, fire, fire! Over the top, bro.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Back blast area clear! Fire, fire, fire!
Perfect, right?
Woo! Back blast area clear! Fire! Fire! Fire!
You see where it went?
Yep.